Ikea has just released their secret recipe to their world-famous meatball. Here you go. What is up, the World Wide Web? It's your host for the most, Ilyas, back at it again in the kitchen because we have something just a little bit different for you guys. I'll be making some meatballs following the recipe by Ikea, but for that to be edible, I'm going to need some help. Let's welcome DP International's in-house chef, Chef Afiq. Hi, how are you doing, Chef?
Hi, friend.
Okay, what do we have here, Chef?
We have minced beef,
Okay.
the breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, garlic, Holland onion, eggs, and the meat. So first, we need to chop.
Alright, so as I know, onions will bring some sort of sweetness to the dish.
So we're also going to chop garlic. 1 clove is fine.
So garlic would also brings in some flavor, a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of bitterness.
Okay, so we're going to start with the minced beef first, and then we put some breadcrumb.
Adding breadcrumbs to the mix acts as a tenderizer so that you'll have soft quality meatballs.
So we're going to continue
Alright.
with garlic and Holland onion. Yes.
Alright. So
Just pour everything inside. So mix again together.
alright, so next we're gonna add eggs, right?
Yes.
It's very important to add eggs to the mix because eggs would act as an emulsifier and hold all the ingredients together.
Okay, so we're going to continue with seasoning. So,
So-
this is to taste only.
To taste, can I put in
Yeah,
pepper?
sure.
So after adding the seasonings, what we're gonna add, according to the recipe, is 5 tablespoons of milk.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, and
And
5.
five.
So Chef Afiq will be shaping the meat into small round balls.
Okay, Elias, so we need to keep it inside the fridge for 2 hours. Okay, we are making the cream sauce. Okay, first we need the butter, flour, cooking cream, beef stock, vegetable stock,
Okay.
soya sauce, and the mustard. When you want to melt the butter, melt it with a very low temperature. Okay, after you melt the butter,
Alright.
okay, pour the flour. After we making the roux, we cook it around 2 to 5 minutes.
Alright. Alright.
We're going to add, we start with the beef stock first.
Beef stock first. This is 150 ml, right?
Yes, 150 ml of the beef stock.
Okay.
Okay, now pour the vegetable stock.
Vegetable stock. Alright. Starting to smell good, huh, Chef?
Yes.
So we gotta do it until all the clumps are.
Yes.
Alright.
So pour the cooking cream.
Okay, for the cooking.
So it's around 150 ml of the cooking cream. So we pour a bit the soya sauce.
Alright.
Now the mustard.
Alright, Chef. I see this sauce is a little bit fair. It's not. It doesn't look like the typical brown sauce from Ikea. Why is that?
It might be they use the black pepper,
Uh-huh.
so the color have a bit change.
Alright, Chef. I
Nice.
got the meatballs out from the fridge.
So we're going to do a browning process.
The browning process.
Yes.
If we do not do the browning process, the meatballs gonna have more water content, which lead to grey-looking meatballs.
Okay, Elias.
Yeah, Chef.
After we finish with this,
Okay.
we're going to put it inside the oven
Alright.
at the temperature of 180 for 30 minutes.
Oh, Chef, I see this is quite brown already,
Yes,
right?
okay.
Okay, so
So we're going to put it inside the oven.
Alright.
But first we need to close the lid. We don't want to let the temperature to go out. So we want
Alright.
to keep inside.
I hear you. I hear you. Okay.
Yeah.
The moment we've been waiting for. Huh? Look at that. Look at that. So, our production team behind the camera has already provided the real Ikea meatball. Right, Chef? The big reveal. Ours look way better, right, Chef?
Very juicy.
Alright, of course we have to try the original first. So that without trying the original, we wouldn't know. It's good. It's always good. It's always been
It's
good.
The sauce is good.
This though, this looks way better. We followed the recipe. I was thinking, oh, it's gonna come out like this, but no, it looks sincere. And the sauce looks different too. Wow. Oh wow. Wait, baik je.
I prefer this one because of the texture. This one still have the juiciness. It doesn't hard to bite compared to Ikea one.
Yeah.
The flavor of the onion, the
Yes.
flavor of the meat, strong,
Yeah.
blend very good. And taste the sauce taste matching.
That's what I noticed. This has more of a garlicky flavor to it, which is not bad. It complements the taste of the beef. And the sauce, your sauce is better, chef. I go with this, hands down. It's better than the store-bought ones. I don't know how that happened. If you like this video, don't forget to like and leave your comments down below. Check out other recipe videos by Chef Afiq on Big Box Asia Facebook page. It's Ilyas and Chef Afiq for DPU International.